Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How do you use an Anoro Ellipta Inhaler? Key points. Anoro, umeclidinium, vilanterol, is an oral inhalation medication for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. It is administered using the Ellipta inhaler. Use it exactly as your doctor prescribes. One Anoro Ellipta Inhaler contains 30 doses. Do not use the Anoro Ellipta unless your healthcare provider has taught you how to use it and you fully understand the process. Use one inhalation of Anoro Ellipta one time each day at the same time. Do not use it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Read the instructions for use found in the Anoro Ellipta package each time you refill your prescription. There could be changes you need to know about since your last refill. If you do not have instructions, ask your pharmacist for a copy or how to use the inhaler. They can show you. Anoro Ellipta is used as a once-daily inhaler for maintenance treatment of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, over the long term. Anoro combines two inhaled COPD bronchodilator agents, umeclidinium bromide, a long-acting muscarinic antagonist, and vilanterol, a long-acting beta-2 agonist. Anoro is only inhaled once per day because the medication effect lasts for at least 24 hours. Use your Anoro Ellipta inhaler at the same time every day. Anoro, from GlaxoSmithKline, is administered using the Ellipta inhaler. You'll still need to use your fast-acting rescue inhaler, for example, albuterol, for emergency situations when you are having breathing problems. Anoro Ellipta is not approved to treat asthma. How do I use my Anoro Ellipta? First, read the full instructions, with diagrams, found in the carton. Anoro Ellipta comes in a tray. Peel back the lid to open the tray. Throw away the desiccant packet in the trash and out of reach of children and pets. Do not open the cover of the inhaler until you are ready to use it. If you open and close the cover without inhaling the medicine, you will lose one dose. You will see this on the dose counter. It is not possible to accidentally take a double dose or an extra dose in one inhalation. There is no need to shake the inhaler. How to prepare your inhaler? To prepare your dose, slide the cover down on the inhaler to expose the mouthpiece. You should hear a click. If the counter does not count down as you hear the click, the inhaler will not deliver the medicine. Call your healthcare provider or pharmacist if this happens. Related questions: Trelegy versus Anoro, which is better? How much does Anoro Ellipta cost without insurance? How long does it take for Anoro Ellipta to start working? How to inhale your medicine. While holding the inhaler away from your mouth, breathe out, exhale, fully. Do not breathe out into the mouthpiece. Do not block the air vent with your fingers. To inhale your medicine, put the mouthpiece between your lips, and close your lips firmly around it. Your lips should fit over the curved shape of the mouthpiece. Take one long, steady, deep breath in through your mouth. Do not breathe in through your nose. Once you have inhaled the medicine, remove the inhaler from your mouth and hold your breath for about 3 to 4 seconds, or as long as comfortable for you. Breathe out slowly and gently. You do not need to rinse your mouth. Do not take another dose from the inhaler even if you do not feel or taste the medicine. Close your inhaler cover. You can clean the mouthpiece if needed, using a dry tissue, before you close the cover. Routine cleaning is not required. Slide the cover up and over the mouthpiece as far as it will go. Getting a refill. When you have fewer than 10 doses remaining in your inhaler, the left half of the counter shows red as a reminder to get a refill. After you have inhaled the last dose, the counter will show 0 and will be empty. Throw the empty inhaler away in your trash. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Bottom line. Have your doctor, nurse or pharmacist show how to use your Anoro Ellipta before you use it for the first time. Follow the directions in the package insert that comes in the carton with your medicine. If you have questions, ask your pharmacist. Be sure to review the directions each time you get a refill as there may be changes you'll need to know about. This is not all the information you need to know about Anoro Ellipta for safe and effective use. Review the full Anoro Ellipta information here, and discuss this information with your doctor or other healthcare provider, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.